Take up. Take up means to begin a new activity. Example: she decided to take up painting. Take down. Take down means to remove something from a higher position. Example: he took down the old posters from his room. Take after. Take after means to resemble a family member. Example: she takes after her mother in both looks and personality. Take off. Take off means to leave the ground and begin to fly. Example: the plane took off on time. Take over. Take over means to assume control. Example: she took over the project after the manager left. Take in. Take in means to absorb or understand something. Example: he took in all the details of the lecture. Take out. Take out means to remove something from a place. Example: they took out the trash in the morning. Take on. Take on means to accept a responsibility or challenge. Example: she took on a new role at work. Take back. Take back means to return something. Example: he took back the books to the library. Take aback. Take aback means to surprise or shock someone. Example: she was taken aback by the sudden news. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.